Hey, what's up guys, this is Jerry. I haven't done videos for the longest. I've been super busy, but I'll explain later on. But anyways, today is Tuesday and it's around 4 p.m. I decided to go do a scrap run because there has been many scrappers. You know, I threw some of my stuff out and they grabbed it already, but no metals, you know, other stuff, you know, that I didn't need. But anyways guys, there's a car, so let me pause the video and I'll come back for it. Alrighty, like I was saying, it was one of the neighbors. I just didn't want him hearing me talk on the phone, you know, because he say, well, what is that we're doing over there? Anyways guys, so I decided to do a scrap run because there's a lot of scrappers. So I was doing it on, you know, on Tuesday nights, but then all of a sudden there's people doing it on Tuesday nights too. So I decided to do it a few hours earlier. I started doing it at 6, and then I started seeing people on 6 on Tuesdays, you know. The trash comes on Wednesdays, but you know, some people put their trash out on Tuesdays. So this time I did at 4, and you know, 4 p.m. and I got a bunch of stuff. Like this one, it's a bunch of like baseball stuff, bases. So this right here is some pretty good gear that I can sell, or I can use myself for my kids, you know. Then I got this dryer, and this is speaker right here, so it's pretty good. Seems that somebody tried to open it, it was not working, so you know, throw it in my shred pile. This is like an aluminum carrier. I don't know what to carry, but probably will end up scrapping it. And look at this guys, some nice brass. Nice brass. There's a lot of miscellaneous stuff in there, so I'm gonna go through it later on. And some 2 drawers. So this was just around the corner. I was asking my wife, hey, should I go? And she said, it doesn't matter. Like, she didn't care. But I went and found all this good stuff. I still have a lot of places to head, so I'm gonna take you with me. So let's do it. Alrighty, I'm driving around and I see the trash cans out. So that's gonna be a few that they put their trash out already. I'm gonna turn the phone on again whenever we see something. I don't want people freaking out on me that I'm videotaping them and stuff. So let's do it guys. Alrighty guys, so I'm still scrapping, and I just saw another scrapper and he had a bunch of stuff in his car, so I guess he was here before me, you know, like maybe 3:30 or something, since I started at 4, which is kind of ridiculous, you know. I'm still picking up stuff, but he had a lot of stuff. Like, it seems that today was a good day for scrapping. Man, competition, I hate it, but what can we do, you know? Everybody's like doing it since the price on metals are going up. Hopefully I can find more stuff. If not, you know, whatever I have, I guess it has to do, you know. All right, to the next. Alrighty, it seems that this scrapper is, you know, missing some stuff, because I found some other stuff, and I will show you when I get home, because like I say, I cannot be recording in here because this neighborhood freaks out. But now I'm going to the next neighborhood, and the problem is, I don't know if that scrapper has been through there or not, you know. So that's gonna be just waste of gas. But what can we do, you know? All right, let's keep trucking. Hopefully he hasn't hit this neighborhood yet. Alrighty, so I'm not finding anything, so that means that probably he went through here before already. I'm just gonna keep driving and see what happens. It's okay. What's going on? Alrighty, guys. I'm pretty pumped up right now. I found two mannequins, like Xiaomi TV, and I got them. And the car is full, as you can, well, you cannot tell, but it's pretty full. You know, I didn't took the seats out this time. I thought I was not gonna find a lot of stuff. That was my mistake. But I found a tool set. You know, like to put the tools. More stuff there. Oh man, I gotta be careful with this streets, this people. Hello. Some neighbors. All right. So now it's time to go back home. Hopefully, I can get that tool set. Well, it's not a tool set. It's a where you put the tools. Can't think about it right now what it is, but I will show you if I get it. Hopefully I get it, because it's a Craftsman. You know, I got a bunch of tools and I can use it. All right, guys. Talk to you later. All right, guys. Thank God it's still there. That's the one right there. Let's get it and take it home. All right, guys, I'm so happy, because that thing to put the tools, probably it will cost like $200 or a little bit more, you know. Who knows? I'll show you when I get home, maybe today or tomorrow, because my wife, she has a meeting at school and she has to be there at 6. And look at this, it's 5:55. I don't know if you were able to see the clock or not, but it's 5:55, so probably she's gonna be running late 5 minutes or so. But getting this tool thing is more important though. She would just miss 5 minutes from school. She can handle that. And if I lost this, because this is another scrapper scrapping, I was gonna be devastated. I was gonna be depressed and everything, because I can use it for my tools. I can sell it. You know, that's why we in this game to scrap as much stuff as we can. Especially if we see something like that, I'll call it, you know, gold, because it's worth money, you know, like gold. It's not just like steel that you can just sell it and get like $2, $3. No, this thing is, like I said, maybe $200. If not, you know, if I can't sell it, you know, I just keep it. But I prefer to keep it. My wife doesn't. But what can we do? You know, it's my house, my rules. And I still keep seeing more scrap. More people are putting more scrap. Oh my God, this metal there too. But I don't have time for that. I gotta get home, or else my wife will kill me. They're gonna kill me, man. You know, she's gonna be running 5 minutes late, but oh well. Daddy's happy. Everything's is good. She can live with within 5 minutes. School's around the corner anyway. She can get there fast. All right, guys. Well, I'm extremely happy. I'll show you maybe tomorrow, because when she gets back, probably it's gonna be dark. And this dishwasher right there, I don't know if you can see it, but right there, dishwasher. I don't know if you were able to see it or not, but there it is. All right, I'm home, so I'll talk to you later, guys. All right, guys, my wife, she came back from the school meeting, so we got a little bike and fireplace to burn some wood, be outside, file cabinet, and a bunch of steel sheets, and in this carpet more steel added to the weight. And this time I had to take one of my seats out, and I got a nice little bike for my kid, and my son is coming out with me, so he wants to be outside over here, right, Crucy? Yeah. Look, I got your bike. You see that bike? Yeah. You think that you can ride it?
We got a motorcycle.
Yeah, that's a little motorcycle for you.
Well, I'm not pulling.
That's right, baby. And then this little bag right there that has some Christmas lights. And I guess I'll show you this earlier, this box. But on top over here, it says Deluxe Camp Shower Shelter Combo. I have to open it and check it out. Maybe that's what it is right here, so people can shower when they go camping. And I found a little bit of wire, this right here, and some fans, the blades. So it's pretty good, guys. And I don't know if you can see over there, but over there, like right there, alright, like over there, that's a dishwasher that I had to get later on.
Is that for sale?
No, that's ours, baby. That's for our car. It goes in there.
Is that all for sale?
No. And these are the mannequins I'm talking about. So those two mannequins, and I don't know, those are mysterious boxes. I don't know what they are in there. I had to open them and find out. And there's the Craftsman tool that I can put some tools in there. It's real nice. It's upside down. That's the top. And those are the drawers right there. On this is like a reindeer thingy with lights. But I love the mannequins. The mannequins are real clean. Like Shaman TV sold his. I'm gonna try to see if I can sell mine too. We'll see. And I had to put all this stuff in the backyard because it seems that it's gonna rain, as you can see. And tomorrow I'm not gonna be able to go to the scrapyard until later on. But the two thing, I'm gonna leave it there. I don't want it getting wet. And these boxes, they're gonna stay there, but I'm gonna open them to see what they are. This mannequins, probably I will leave them here too. The only thing I will take is the reindeer out. Oh yeah, and by the way, I got a new car. It's a Land Rover. Land Rover right there. I don't want to show the license plates. It's a Land Rover. Oh, it's right here. Right there. Nice little car. So let me start, you know, taking all this stuff to the backyard. And like I said, tomorrow's time to go sell all this stuff.